Ho, ho, ho.
Okay. Hi, and welcome to the Claus Club.
We're so glad you could be with us today. I picked out a really amazing toy I think you guys will love.
Cool, what'd you get?
So these are called metal minis. And have you guys seen the movie Cars?
I have.
Have you seen it? What
It's
about
one of
you
my
guys?
favorite movies. What about
Yeah.
you guys? I love
Love the movie. Love, love, love the movie. And if you go to Disneyland, there's actually a Cars Land, and I love going there. So these have 3 itsy bitsy tiny little cars. Now you guys all know me. I love little things. I love elves, right? So I thought, wow, I bet the kids would really enjoy having these in their stockings or even just as a present under the tree this year. So we're going to see what you think. We're going to open these up and okay, these are awesome. Santa, what do you have there?
You know, these are really cool. I have to
Wow.
say, they're like, they're so perfect. They're made out of metal.
Yeah.
So I got 3 cars in this one, and the 3 that I got, one of them was Saludos Amigos Ramon. It's, I believe, Tenico Cruz Ramirez.
You mean Cruz Ramirez?
Yeah, but it has like a Dean. Can you see that? Dinico?
Dynaco.
Dinico.
Dynaco.
I can't see very well. I'm getting old. And fabulous Lightning McQueen.
Woo! Go Lightning McQueen.
Yeah, I love Lightning McQueen.
Yeah.
You know what I have? I have a Cars PlayStation game, and we race like all these cars.
Oh, hey,
It's
now that
super
sounds
fun.
pretty awesome. How many of you guys have one of those?
Nice.
Yeah.
So what
yeah.
are those right there?
So I have Golden Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. That's this guy right here. He's a pretty little
Nice.
gold color. And then, of
Nice,
course,
I
I
like
have
that.
the classic Lightning McQueen in his red.
Oh, Lightning McQueen.
Oh, I love Lightning McQueen. He's so awesome.
That's
and then, oh, but do you guys remember when Jackson Storm tried to take over and beat Lightning McQueen? Well, we've
can I
got
see
Jackson Storm.
Let me see. Jackson Storm.
Yep, Jackson
Oh, like
Storm.
he's like one of the bad guys, right?
Yeah.
Kinda.
Yeah, he was kind of mean. He was just kind of rude, you know?
Yeah.
I don't
remember.
go for rude. How about
But
you guys?
you know what? I would have to say, out of all these, I really like the classic
Yeah.
McQueen.
Yeah.
It's the Lightning McQueen
Yeah.
is just it's so perfect. Oh, I really want this. What do you kids think?
You know, there's all sorts of other ones available too.
You know what? I think this is elfable. I think we should let the elves play with this.
I agree. I agree.
And see if it's baggable.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is this ready for Santa's bag?
Um,
what do you think?
Well, I think we need to check with the elves, but what do you guys think? Because you're the most important
You've probably
one.
played with these before. So we're going to play with the elves. And
Make
then,
sure you comment down below if you think
Yeah.
that this would be fun.
hey, thanks a lot for stopping by the Claus Club today.
We really appreciate you being with us.
We hope you enjoyed learning all about the new mini metal racers.
I know, these are awesome.
Yep, and so be sure to like and subscribe and
don't
tell all your
forget-
friends.
And don't forget,
Ho, ho, ho.